Good morning, class. Yesterday we did the derivation, the first derivation, which was v is equal to u plus at. Now we're going to do the second derivation, which is the equation for position time relation. And from the first derivation, we need to remember two things, right? One, that OC is equal to AD and BD is equal to AT. This is what need to remember. And the derivation that we need to prove today is distance travelled, which is S, is equal to UT plus half AT square. Right? So this is what we need to prove. What is U here? This is the initial velocity into T, which is time, plus half into A, which is acceleration, into time ka square. So this is the graph that we again need to consider. So what is distance travelled? We need to consider this whole area. So what is distance travelled? Is OABC, right? So we'll write here distance travelled is equal to area of OABC. What is it? It's a trapezium. Right? So now what we need to do is, see, this is a hole. Now we divide it into two things. One is the rectangle, which is OADC, and a triangle ABD. So we can divide the area of trapezium into two parts. Area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So let's write, we divide it into area of rectangle, which is OADC plus area of triangle, which is ABD. Right? So what we have done right now is we have divided the area of trapezium into two. Area of rectangle, which is OADC, plus area of triangle, which is ABD. This is what we have written here. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? It is length into breadth. Right? So what is length here? This is OA. And what is breadth? This is OC. So we'll write area of rectangle is equal to OA into OC. Again plus, what is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. So we'll write half into, what is the base? AD. And what is the height? BD. So we'll write half into base is AD into height is BD. Now what we are doing is, we will going to substitute it with the value. So let's say substitute. अब हम substitute किसे कर रहे हैं? Let's write OA is equal to U. हमें पता है that OC is equal to AD. So we'll write OC is equal to AD, which is equal to T. Right? And then what we have proved, what I told you to remember was BD is equal to AT. So we'll write BD is equal to AT. Right? What we need to do right now is, now we'll just put it into value. So let's say OA distance travelled is equal to, OA की जगह हमने क्या रखा? U. OC की जगह हमने क्या रखा? T plus half. AD की जगह हमने क्या रखा? T. और BD की जगह हमने क्या रखा? AT. Right? So let's just multiply it simply. So S is equal to U multiplied by T is UT plus half A. T is twice. So we'll write AT square. So this is what we're supposed to prove. S is equal to ut plus half at square, and this is what we have proved. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Hence proved. Let me just repeat myself. We were supposed to derive the equation S is equal to ut plus half at square. So what we did was, we considered the trapezium OABC. Then we divided into two parts, a rectangle and a triangle. Right? So distance traveled was the area of OABC, which we divide among a rectangle and a triangle. So the area of rectangle into area of triangle. So we wrote here with the values, we substituted the values, and then we simply multiplied it. So we derived it. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Hence proved.